Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fatrehan Fabian. I am from class 23A SP. I will make a presentation in the material International Strategy Management. International Strategy Management is the process of planning, managing, and controlling the strategy of company operating in more than one country. In the area of globalization, competition is no longer limited to domestic market but extend to the complex international market. Company needs to understand global market analysis, cultural difference, trade policy, and political risk. This material will discuss definitions, track international environment factor, and effective strategy to achieve competitive advantage on the global stage. The next material, definition of international strategy management. 1. Cross-country strategy to achieve business goal. 2. Integration of global resource. 3. Adaptation to the international environment. According to Carlos W. L. Hale and Glad R. Jones, 2020, international strategy management is the process of developing and implementing strategy that enable company to compete effectively in international market. This includes utilizing global resource, analyzing the external environment, and adapting to change in regulation, technology, and consumer preference in various countries. The main focus is creating added value by seizing global opportunity while minimizing rising from cultural, political, and economic difference. Next, difference from domestic strategy management. 1. Wider geographical scope. And next, variation in culture and regulation. Next, and the last, operational complexity and explanation. Domestic strategy management focus on the national environment, where international strategy management involves cross-country coordination with highly diverse market, legal, and cultural conditions in the international context. Company must consider difference in language, consumer behavior, import tariff, and inter-country trade policy. City increase because company must adjust marketing, human resource, and supply chain strategy to fit local conditions while maintaining brand consistency and operational effectively across and well market. And the next material, objective of international strategy management: expanding markets and increasing market share, utilizing global resource, achieving competitive advantage, reducing business risks. And explanation: the main objective of international strategy management are to expand market reach, optimize the use of global resources, and create sustainable competitive advantage by entering international market. Company can access a larger consumer base, obtain raw material or labor at more efficient cost, and diversify risks from defension on a single market. The right strategy enable company to adapt to global change while seizing opportunity arising from technological trends, free trade agreements, and the economic growth of developing country. And the next material, steps of the international strategy management process. 1. Analysis of the global environment. 2. Determination of vision and mission. 3. Stating objective. 4. Strategy formulation. 5. Strategy implementation. 6. Evaluation and control. And the explanation: the process of international strategy management begins with an analysis of the global environment to understand opportunity and threat. Next, the company set a clear long-term vision, mission, and objective. Strategy are formulated based on internal and external analysis, then implement through resource allocation and cross-country coordination. The final step in evaluation and control where strategy performance is measured and adjusted as need. This cycle is dynamic because global conditions and change rapidly do economic, political, technological, and social factors. Next, global environment analysis. Economy factor, growth, inflation, exchange rates, and political and legal factor or stability and regulation. Next, social and cultural factor and technological factor. And explanation, global environment analysis aims to identify external conditions that affect international business strategy, economic and factors such as GDP, growth, inflation, and exchange rates determine consumer purchasing power. Political and legal factors include government stability, dress policy, and foreign investment regulation. Meanwhile, social and cultural factors influence consumer preference and communication style. Technology is also an important factor, as innovation can open new markets or significantly change competition patterns at the global level. And next, international strategy models. 1. Global strategy. 2. Multi-domestic strategy. 3. Transnational strategy or international strategy. And explanation. The 4 international strategy model provide an framework for company to compete in the global market. Global strategy emphasizing product standardization and cost efficiency, whilst multi-domestic strategy focus on adapting product and marketing strategy to local culture. Transnational strategy combine the advance of global efficiency and transnational strategy combine in the advance of global effectivity and local adaptation. International strategy is usually carried out by exports product and leverage core experience from the home country. Case study and example of successful international company: Samsung and Unilever. Strategy use and key success factor. And explanation is the case study. Samsung has success in being a global player with a transnational strategy, combine effective mass product with product adaptation according to local market needs. Unilever use a multi-domestic strategy by adjusting brand and product formula according to the culture and fads of each country. The key to their success is the depth market share, strong global distribution network, and continued innovation capability. This case study show that the right international strategy can increase market penetration and strengthen competitive position in the global arena. Next, challenge in international strategy management: cultural and long difference and exchange rates, fluctuation and trade barrier, and political risks. And the explanation: the main challenge in international strategy management are managing cultural and language difference that affect communication, negotiation, and consumer behavior. Exchange rates factorial can affect price and profitability, and trade barriers such as quotas and imports regulation can reduce operational efficiency. Political and risks such as change in government policy and conflicts or instability issue need to be adapted. Company must have risk mitigation strategies such as market differentiation. And the last materi, conclusion: international strategy management is the key company success in the complying in the global market. The process includes environmental analysis, strategy formulation, implementation, and continued evaluation adaptation to local culture. Utilizing of technological and risk management are important factor long-term success depend on in company adaptability to adjust strategy to globally dynamic will maintain competitive advantage. With right strategy management, company can grow sensibility amid increasing international competition.